I've always said adding insulation to your attic is some of the best money you can spend to make your house more energy efficient. But whether to use faced or unfaced insulation is a great question. Now here's a situation where a homeowner, looks like many years ago, added insulation. They added a 3-inch layer, but it has facing on it, and that could create a moisture trap between the living area and the underside of the insulation. So when you're adding insulation to an existing attic that has insulation, you'll want to use an unfaced type of material, and that way you won't have to worry about that moisture trap. And all you have to do, get a few rolls of this, roll it out perpendicular over the ceiling joist that you have in your attic, and then you've created that insulation barrier that's going to save you money summer or winter.